How to delete Betway account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will show you how you can delete your Betway account permanently, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to delete your Betway account permanently, you can do this process from your web browser if you're on PC, but on my Android phone as well, I will show you from a web browser. So if you're on iOS, you can follow the same steps accordingly. All you have to do is go ahead and then open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, here you want to simply come to the option called betway.com, which is the official URL of Betway. So just go to betway.com and then make sure to sign into your account by tapping on the login button from the top right hand side, and then over here simply going ahead and then entering your credentials in order to log into your account. So let me go ahead and log into my account as well. Once you log into your account, you will see this kind of interface. Then tap on the three lines icon, which is at the top left hand side of the screen. Here, once you tap on the three lines, scroll down, and then here you will find the option called delete account, as you could see over here. So just tap on the delete account button. As you tap on the delete account option, you'll be taken to the deletion request page. So over here you can see deletion request form. Just fill in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, your username, as well as agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on the submit button from the bottom. Once you tap on the submit button from the bottom, you'll be able to see a few other disclaimers. So it says your request has been submitted. Please note that you will receive an acknowledgement email shortly. Now we've sent a request and Betway is going to review it. They're going to get back to us on our email on which we've signed up Betway with, and then they're going to confirm the closure of our Betway account. That's basically how you can permanently delete your Betway account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.